So, what do you think about the whole proposition of create a problem, solve a problem? Like they're gonna create the problem of not having battery in the phone, solve the problem with a worse scenario where you are gonna give a battery on the phone, which is gonna be 40% efficient only, and then be like, hey, we give you a solution,
And it's going to be double the price.
and it's gonna sell.
Absolutely. Because it's Apple.
If you wanna make something, अच्छा बनाना ही नहीं है, गंदा बनाओ, छोटा बनाओ, ऐसा लगे कि भाई क्यों बनाया, पर दोस्त देखेगा तो क्या बोलेगा. Dinky dinky. So there's this recent trend of thin devices. There's the Samsung Galaxy Edge, and now there's the iPhone Air, which should have been the iPhone 17 Air, but it's the iPhone Air because they're stupid. What do you think about thin devices as a source of marketing, ads, or functionality?
I feel like jo bhi keh lo, the experience of holding a phone that is thin, sleek, and works smoothly, I don't think anything can beat it. There is a look about it, there is a sleekness about it. I don't know how else to define the feeling that I'm trying to get across, but it just looks so good.
So yeah, you're an iPhone fanboy. Okay, you've had an iPhone for the longest time. Sure, a lot of people in your family have iPhones. A lot of people in my family used to have iPhones. I switched them all out to Androids, right? And you guys are gonna hate me for it, I know. But I am one for huge battery sizes, big camera lenses, amazing displays, very good heat dissipation, which means the device doesn't get hot. I am one for functionality. Thin devices innately have an issue of functionality.
I agree. That's why I'm saying that there is everything put aside, the experience of a thin phone or a thin computer in your hand is very cool.
For how long?
Exactly. That lasts only so long.
I get a thin device, half the time I am scared I'm gonna sit on it and it's gonna go bust. Second half, I am scared that it's gonna fall and it's gonna
Shatter into a million pieces.
yeah, it's not even gonna fall like a phone, right? Now,
I want to do some batting for you first. I feel like it's not that you're an Android person or an anti-Apple person.
not even Samsung Galaxy Edge for that matter, same.
I just think that you are one of those people who looks at a phone basis, okay, what does the phone do rather than who has made the phone? Which I think is a very practical way to go about it. Which I don't understand why more people don't do it that way, because that's what makes sense. Logic dictates you get what works best for you. So a big battery size is something very specific to you. You want your phone to last without having to charge it every so often.
You don't?
I feel like it depends on usage. For me, if I have to charge my phone once a day, fine.
So once a day, na?
Yeah.
So hear me out on this, okay? People buy these phones, small ass batteries. Yeah? Then they are confused, my phone doesn't last, my phone doesn't have battery. कल ही तो चार्ज किया था, रात को ही तो चार्ज किया था. Sometimes they are under the delusion कि सुबह चार्ज किया था. Yeah? And then it's a headache throughout the day. Phone की बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी, बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी. Do you have a wire? Do you have a wire? Do you have a wire? Do you have a... Like, that's just the battery aspect of it. Then they're like, my phone is getting hot. Then they're gonna get phones the size of paper and slap on a cover the size of this book. Like, what's the point? But as we have learned in marketing, in ads, in all of this stuff that we gush on about, it's about the dream outcome, right? अगर मेरी किटी पार्टी फ्रेंड ने देखा कि मेरा फोन मुड़ता है और गोल घूमता है और पतला सा है तो क्या लगेगा? She asked me which
वही
phone
है
you have.
यार. It is all about the. I feel like with thin phones, we are just selling क्या लगेगा.
2 मिनट के लिए.
जितने भी मिनट के लिए. I feel like जब भी लगता है ना कि ओहो ये प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है, वो प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है, कोई आके बोल देता है अरे यार क्या लग रहा है. And they're like, oh क्या लग रहा है. And then you're gushing for
Yeah, like my
the next 2 minutes
No.
before the next person comes and tells you,
people
oh क्या लग रहा है.
people buy these folding phones, right? And again, Razer हुआ करता था. यार हुआ करता था, कोई टेक ही नहीं थी उस टाइम पे. 2 डब्बे मिक्स करने पड़ते थे. बट रेजर होता था, फ्लिप फोन होता था, ऐसे खुलता था, बड़ा मजा आता था. नाउ देव मेड फ्लिप फोन विच इज टच स्क्रीन. Horrible functionality. There is a line in the middle of the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that screen. Like, my screen usage is a lot, mostly for just like texting or typing or reading or watching a video, right? And I need to live with a line in the middle of the screen. One of the best selling phones Samsung has ever made, because it bloody flips. So that tells me that USP in ads, firstly, is very difficult. Secondly, such a USP in ads becomes like, oh, ये तो चाहिए. How do we go on about achieving this?
The ye to chahiye.
The ये तो चाहिए.
Isn't that the $1 billion question?
Hey, let's say we want to achieve this for a cup. How do you do it?
How do you do it? Make it self-stirring, heating, and make it look on the outside that it is self-stirring and heating. Add a stainless steel thing with a temperature gauge and all of that fun stuff.
No, you're adding functionality. Self-stirring is a good thing. Heating is a good thing. Flipping phone is not a good thing. There is no functionality to that, right? So this is where the human mind like is really funky. When we think, how would we make a phone better or how would we give it a USP, you're gonna think, अंदर 3 गुना बड़ी बैटरी ठोक दो, बड़ा सा लेंस ठोक दो. यहाँ पे they are deciding, oh the phone is इतना पतला, उसको और पतला करके बैटरी आधी कर दो. ओ 3 कैमरे डाले थे, 2 हटा दो, 1 लगाएंगे, राइट? डिस्प्ले पहले हार्ड था, स्क्रैच करना मुश्किल था, डिस्प्ले हटा दो, पुट अ प्लास्टिक स्क्रीन देयर. So like go on about it in the messed up manner.
क्या अच्छा है, इसको आधा कर देते हैं.
हाँ, टेक दिस कप,
इसको आधा कर दो.
छोटा कर दो और छोटा कर दो और कलर इसका गंदा कर दो और फिर बोलो एंटीक है, जापान की हिस्ट्री में बना था 100 साल पहले,
एस्प्रेसो शॉट के लिए
स्पेशली. मतलब दैट बिकम्स लाइक, ओ इसमें तो कम पानी आएगा इसमें तो एक सिप में खत्म हो जाएगा, इसके लिए दूंगा मैं 5,000 रुपए. I was watching this Instagram video and this guy is like, every time you come across a nutrition influencer, भाई साहब मेरे लिए ना बढ़िया सा मिल्क शेक बनाओ. नहीं फुल शुगर आइसक्रीम वाला चाहिए, मेरे को ड्रामा नहीं चाहिए, फुल शुगर आइसक्रीम, इमल्सिफायर वाली, पाम ऑयल वाली, बढ़िया बनना चाहिए, 2-4 प्रिजर्वेटिव भी ठोक देना, टेस्ट आना चाहिए. Because everyone is like, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad, and iPhone is like, नहीं फोन आधा कर दो, अच्छा लगेगा. इसके पीछे बैटरी ठोक दो और फोन मोटा कर दो.
हाँ, I mean that's what they're doing, right? They're giving an external battery, which this thing connects via what's that? MagSafe.
So what do you think about the whole proposition of create a problem, solve a problem? Like they're gonna create the problem of not having battery in the phone, solve the problem with a worse scenario where you are gonna give a battery on the phone which is gonna be 40% efficient only, and then be like, hey, we give you a solution.
And it's going to be double the price.
And it's gonna sell.
Absolutely. Because it's Apple. And you're going to see people roaming around with these big ugly slabs behind their phone. And then they'll be like, oh no, but my phone is so thin. But I need this to charge it.
So these guys have played it very nicely, yeah? Because they took out this phone. So I have this theory. And this theory is called area under the graph. Okay, but a lot of us have studied it. I use this in like a funky manner. Cool. Everything wants to live at a 0. Okay? So everything wants to live. 0 means normal. Normal phone. Okay? Now I make something atrangi, which is the iPhone Air. So the area under the graph is now negative. I have done something atrangi, which is for the worse. Now I would love to make the area 0, and I would love, like, people who are using my company also would love to make the area 0. So let me launch a Pro with a massive battery, which is thicker than before, made of all metal, looks like just a chunk of construction material, right? Just slap on a huge camera lens over there, slap on everything over there, because why not? So now instead of launching like a mid-level thing, which they did, iPhone 17, but they do, oh, the Pro is now actually Pro, where it is like huge, everything good, slapped on in one phone. And the Air is just absolutely horrible garbage.
The funniest part of all of it is that the iPhone 17, which we call 0, is the lowest priced. The iPhone Air, which you're calling negative, is the second tier. And then the Pro is obviously the highest tier.
It's not funny. Again, looking at it from an ads perspective. Looking at the iPhones from an ads perspective, iPhone Air is meant for people with money who want to show off. You cannot price it lower than the regular iPhone. iPhone 17 is meant for the average consumer who wants a good phone, and now they've also two-sold all the good features in it, like the 120Hz display, a bigger battery, and all of that stuff, good cameras. The Pro is meant for people who believe I am a heavy hitter and I need all the best of the things, so that has to be the most expensive. And the SE is literally the status symbol of, oh, I am poor but I want an iPhone. Their pricing is perfect. It's not about the features, it's not about whether Air has big features. It's the same as that espresso cup which sells for $2,000 but holds, 1/6 of a regular cup. Like this sand here, this one, is worth like $300. But you get like a smaller cup, the smaller it gets, the more fancy it looks, the more expensive it gets. Maybe that's the one thing you can take away from this video. If you want to make something, अच्छा बनाना ही नहीं है, गंदा बनाओ, छोटा बनाओ, ऐसा लगे कि भाई क्यों बनाया, पर दोस्त देखेगा तो क्या बोलेगा. If you like all of this nonsense, click the subscribe button. And if you want these books, they might help you with your ads. It's in the description below. Click it, get it, read it, apply it, call us.